Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Chicken Kadai, a bold flavor-packed Indian curry loved for its rich tomato base, aromatic spices, and juicy tender chicken coated in a thick masala-style gravy that perfectly captures the essence of authentic Indian comfort food. This popular North Indian dish is traditionally cooked in an iron kadai, a thick wok-style pan, which helps intensify the flavors and gives the curry its signature rustic taste. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chicken kadai. This recipe brings together the richness of tomatoes, the warmth of spices, the aroma of kasuri methi, and the freshness of ginger and green chilies, creating a delicious balance of spicy, tangy, and slightly smoky flavors with a thick restaurant-style texture. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious chicken kadai. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 1 kg of chicken leg pieces. You can also make this with the whole chicken cut into medium-sized pieces. We have also taken 10 medium-sized tomatoes cut into halves, and then we removed most of the seeds. 4 medium-sized green chilies cut into pieces like I have done. 2 medium-sized green chilies, slit them lengthwise in between but not completely. 1-inch piece of ginger cut into very thin slices or juliennes. 1/4 cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 2 teaspoons of dry kasuri methi. 1½ teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the chicken kadai. On medium-high heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 cup or 250 ml of cooking oil, which will be used for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. Then add the salt. Fry the chicken for around 12 minutes. Keep stirring the chicken frequently. After around 12 minutes, remove the extra oil, but let some oil remain in the pan. Then add ginger garlic paste. Stir everything properly. After a minute, add the green chili pieces and stir everything properly. After a minute, add the tomatoes. Add ½ cup or 125 ml of water. Stir everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the tomatoes will become soft. Remove the skin from the tomatoes and discard it. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Then start mashing the tomatoes.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Once done, add the black pepper powder. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the coriander or dhania powder. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Crush the dry kasuri methi and then add it in the gravy. Mix everything nicely. Check for salt and add whatever is required. We added half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Cook the gravy for around 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, add the garam masala powder. Add the juliennes of ginger. Add the slit green chilies. Add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything nicely. Cook the gravy for around 2 to 3 minutes more. Once done, put the heat off. Delicious chicken kadai is ready. Enjoy it hot with rice, roti, naan or bread. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.